Ciao!
Ciao!
I'm Hannah Lynch. I am studying abroad in Rome at Gustolab. I go to the University of Illinois and I'm studying middle grades education.
Hi, I'm Shreya Ahujaand. I also go to Gustolab here in Rome. I'm from the University of Illinois and I study food science.
Ciao. I am Ahujaand Elfenbaum. I also go to Gustolab. I also go to U of I, and I'm a theater major.
We hope you enjoy our video!
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi, my name's Matt. I'm from North Shore, Illinois, and I came to Rome to find sustainable love. I'm looking for love that's organic, natural, and environmentally sustainable.
Leaves. Sustainability. Nature and its course. Hi, I'm Lauren G. I'm from Tennessee and I'm a dietitian. I'm the most sustainable choice for Matt because I never shower. Honestly, I smell so bad, I gross myself out. I have cheese in my butt. It just grew. I also have mushrooms in my armpit. They just grew. Also sustainable choices because it's farming in your home. Your body, that is.
Hi, I'm Lauren B. and I'm from Munster, Indiana, and I'm a social media influencer. I'm the most sustainable choice for Matt because I bike everywhere.
I'm Donald Trump, the Donald, and the 45th President of the United States of America. I know I can't believe it either. I ran as a joke for my buddies, and I won. I am a rich kid, and buy one of my properties.
Ciao! I'm Dr. Sonia Masari, and I work at Gustolab Institute in Italy with this sustainability and healthy green eating. Ciao!
Today I'm taking Donnie on a date to pick up trash on the streets of Rome. One of the big trends of the last few years in Rome has been to take responsibility getting rid of garbage off of the streets. The hashtag Roma Sonoio, which means I am Rome, encourages people to get out there and take charge of cleaning up the city. So today, we are going to take part in this trend and help the environment. So today for our date, instead of getting our own private car and polluting the environment, we are taking public transportation. Because according to the European Environment Agency, in 2012, Italy had the most pollution-related deaths in Europe. Over 84,000 people died in this country prematurely due to bad air quality.
You want me to get on a bus? The Donald? I don't get on a bus. Public transportation? You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. I'm leaving. I hate this show. The Apprentice. You're fired, and I stole all your money.
Matt, how do you feel about Donald leaving?
Did you see the way he didn't separate his food waste from his recyclables? I don't need that in my life. Ciao! So today on our date, we're going to be helping the environment and picking up some trash on the streets of Rome so we can have a nice date together and help out clean up all this trash.
Ah, molto bene.
Sonia, do you have any tips on saving the environment and how to date sustainably?
Well, for starters, on a date, if you want to get the mood going, you can turn off some lights, especially in the rooms you're not using, to save energy and have less light pollution.
That is such a good idea. Why don't we start now? I love how sustainable you are.
3, 2.
Another thing you can do, Matt, is according to a 2013 report from the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, the OECD, Italy is currently looking to push forward with a number of water conservation initiatives. So, for a study abroad student like you, you can take shorter showers, turn off the water when you're brushing your teeth, turn off the water between washing dishes. Little things like that can go a long way in helping the environment.
I love your ideas.
Thanks, Matt.
So for today's date, guys, we're going to the market. We're going to pick out some fresh produce straight from the local farmers.
Right. I brought a bag with me so that I can be a sustainable shopper.
That is so smart of you.
Oh, I was just gonna get my own bag, like a plastic bag from the market.
That is not a good idea, Lauren. That causes excess use of plastic. You should know that that's bad for the environment.
Lauren, do you want all the fishes to die?
Lauren B's great and all, but she didn't bring her own reusable bag to the date today. By 2030, the UN hopes to reduce plastic waste. How are we supposed to do that if she's trying to use plastic bags? So, Lauren, I might need to talk to you for a second. I'm sorry, but with you being so unsustainable like this, I just don't think we can have a future together. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye.
Oh my, thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah, it was nice to meet you.
I always knew.
So Lauren, you see, it's important to support local organic farmers and their produce because it's more sustainable. So next time you're cooking, buy some local foods, like this grapefruit. So we had some really great dates this week. We picked up some trash and learned about the Roma Sonoyo movement. We went to the market. We learned about water conservation, learned about using